Everybody, Chibi Friends is starring now. Please enjoy.
Cooking gone wrong.
Are you interested in cooking? Why not join the cooking show? You can make dishes and desserts for the judges. Remember to sign up in online form until the 31st of March is the joining competition. What are you waiting for? Sign up now.
I wonder who is good at cooking. Maddie, are you good at cooking?
Maybe not. You ask Taoara.
How about you, Taoara?
What?
Do you want to take part in the cooking show?
If you feel interested, you could win a champion and get a lucky man.
All right, if you say so. I'm in.
Yay.
We'll be watching you there.
Hey guys, I need one partner to team up with me. Who can join me?
Sorry, I can't. It's the day of the month.
Was it a bloody period? How about you, Pinknette-Chan? Can you be my partner of the cooking show?
I can only make cookies, but I'll try something different.
What do you mean try something different?
Instead of making cookies, I can make a gingerbread man's house.
But it's not even a cooking.
It doesn't matter. Cooking dishes and making sweets does count.
I'm going to toilet.
Why not? I can be your partner.
You do. Thank you so much.
Good luck, you too.
Are you ready, dude?
You bet.
I got my kitchen gun.
Oh, you want to rap? Rap this.
My tummy feels hungry.
Me too. Why they took so long? I'll ask them first. What are you guys doing? We are starving now.
Oops, sorry.
We were practicing for the cooking battle.
Taoara is right. We were doing some cooking.
Then are you two even cooking?
Yeah, we were cooking carbonara with chicken wings for you and your sister and us.
Give us 5 more minutes, we promise.
Okay then.
Guys, the food is ready.
All right.
It's chicken wings with carbonara pasta.
I love it.
Me too. I love your cooking.
We did it together, so yeah.
Well, I'm pretty bad at cooking, so you two will be in the cooking show.
We will.
Good luck.
Welcome to the cooking show. I'm your host Mia. So today, we're inviting 3 teams in this battle.
Oh man, I wish I was taking part of it.
It's okay, sis. Next time you can participate in.
Before we start, let me introduce our waitress who works for 24 hours every day and a legend.
Oh my gosh! I hope it's Penny, my 2020 OC friend.
Wait, Penny joined too?
Seriously, bro, why are you afraid of her?
Guess who's sitting next to me?
I'm here.
Oh.
Thank you so much. My name is Penny and I worked at my own cafe that is selling pies and desserts for everybody.
What about your partner? Is he also helping you too?
I'm just her friend knowing her a very long time ago.
Go Tagaro. Hope you can cook some delicious food for me.
Wonderful. Anyways, here are some ingredients you need and let the judges to taste your dish.
I hope mine is better.
Now here are the judges.
Pansie's two sisters are here.
There's Pepper Panda too.
There are 3 levels, easy to hard. Each judges who taste the food will give 0 to 10 points. Rules are rules. Do not copy their dishes and do not insult someone's dish. Level 1 is easy. Let's not waste any time. Level 1 starts now.
Pinknette-Chan, you know how to make cookies, right?
Of course I do. Help me make.
Alrighty.
Didn't you think something easy?
Okay, fine. You asked for it. Let's make rice balls.
Okay.
Time's up. Let the judges taste the easy dish.
So how was it?
Liked. You were the best girlfriend cookie lover that I really had.
Pinknette-Chan.
Thanks. Oh my god. Did he call me a girlfriend cookie lover? He loves me so much. I wish Edie should do the love confession to me.
You know what, sis? I'll give you 10 points.
Thanks, Akari.
Now the Chan team Cherry-Chan and Pinknette-Chan got 33. Tagaro and Penny got 40, which means Tagaro and Penny is the highest score. Try harder for Taoara and Pansie.
Aw man.
It's okay, you two. Just keep it up.
There's still any chances to win.
Level 2. Medium mode starts now.
How about cupcakes?
Sure. That's a great idea.
I don't understand why Penny always has a good idea.
Stop thinking. We need to focus on cooking, not stalking.
Fine. Why not we make ham and cheese sandwiches?
Okay, cook.
What are you?
What the hell, dude?
Taoara, this is important.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Perfect. Now let's cooking.
No way. What about Taoara and Pansie?
Oh.
Damn it. 50 points. Why can't you do better?
I don't even know. Penny is the one who get her brain, making her a smarty pants.
Excuse me. I was the one who wants to start my own job and earn lots of money and make amazing sweets.
Either I do. I was the one who will make my boyfriend proud. Hope I'll be better than you guys.
Calm down.
I hate fighting.
Me too.
Settle down. Let's start with the hard level, shall we?
Fine. Fried rice is a good idea.
Strawberry pie is my bestest idea.
Spaghetti.
Level 3 starts now.
Ding dong, eat it up, eat it well and mix it up. Ding dong, what the fuck will come to your door and give it to you one? You like in that word?
I'll just...
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh no!
It's burning everywhere.
Oh my god!
It's everywhere! Ah!
Everyone get outside.
worry, ladies. I got this.
I call it sweet